Hi friends, let me show you this portable pill box that I received. It's for traveling or if you are going out with your pills. Well, this is a great way to have them protected. As you can see, the box is really nice. When you open it, you see this plastic ring seal. It makes it waterproof. We want to test that. And you get 3 days individual capsules, okay? Each of them have 3 different daytime pills. Monday, morning, noon or midday, and night. And each of them have another closing possibility. As you can see, the space is really ample. They are large, so you can fit any kind of pills that you or quantity that you need. Okay, so this is like a weekender, 3 days, and you get your pills with you in a easy to carry, easy to bring with you case, and protecting it from the water. Let's test it. So friends, let me show you, we are going to test one of the main features of this pill box. That is, it has a plastic ring here, and it should make it waterproof, okay? So we have water in this glass container, and if for any reason your box gets in touch with water, we are going to see how it goes inside, okay? Okay. I want to dry it in the outside, and we open it. As you can see, there's no trace of any water here. So you can, and even if there were some water, that there's not, the pills also have another protection here. So, well, if you take pills every day in different times of the day, you really want to consider this box that will help you get 3 pills each, or 3 different pill times for each day, for a weekend, for any 3 days that you're going to be out on the road in a vacation trip, wherever. Thank you.